Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking at tickets for a school talent show where we have $2 tickets for students and $3 for adults. We're told that Chris spends at least $11 but no more than $14 on X student tickets and 1 adult ticket. And given this information, what is one possible value of X? So to find one possible value of X, we have to pick one possible total spending. And we have at least 11, but no more than 14. So let's just pick 11. You could pick anything in that range. So we're saying the total he spent was 11. And this is X student tickets and 1 adult ticket. So if we take 11, we can subtract the cost of 1 adult ticket, which is $3. That leaves $8 remaining for his student tickets. She spent $8 on student tickets, and it's $2 per ticket. To accomplish this, he would have had to buy 4 tickets, because $2 per ticket times 4 tickets is 4 times 2, which is 8. And we are told that he bought X student tickets, so 4 tickets is the same as X tickets, and therefore X is equal to 4. What is one possible value of X? Possibly he could have bought 4 tickets, which would have been $8, plus 3 for the 1 adult ticket would give you $11, and so 4 is going to be your final answer.